Hello, and welcome to JoinLife, your natural health companion. In a world full of complicated diets and chemical-laced solutions, we bring you simple, effective, and natural ways to stay fit, feel energetic, and live a healthier life. Today, we're exploring one of the most underrated wellness drinks, coriander seeds water. Let's see how this tiny seed can help you cleanse your body, boost your skin glow, improve digestion, and even support weight loss, naturally. So let us quickly understand, what makes coriander seeds so special? Coriander seeds may look ordinary, but they're packed with antioxidants, essential minerals, and healing compounds. When soaked or lightly boiled, these seeds release natural oils that gently detox the body, enhance metabolic activity, and help restore inner balance. Now let us understand how to prepare coriander seed water. There are two simple ways to make this drink. First is the overnight soak method. Take a teaspoon of coriander seeds and soak them in a glass of water. Cover and leave overnight. In the morning, strain and drink the water on an empty stomach. And second is boiled method for weight loss. Boil a teaspoon of coriander seeds in 200 milliliters of water for 2 to 3 minutes until the water changes color. Strain and drink warm, preferably before going for a brisk walk. The best time to drink coriander seed water is early in the morning, on an empty stomach, to maximize its cleansing and metabolic benefits. Now, without wasting more time, let us take a look at the key benefits of drinking coriander seed water on an empty stomach. The first benefit of drinking coriander seed water is that it helps improve digestion and reduce bloating. Coriander seeds stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which aids in breaking down food more efficiently. This helps reduce gas, acidity, and that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals, making your gut feel light and relaxed throughout the day. The second benefit is that it brings a natural glow to the skin. Coriander water is rich in vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that purify the blood and reduce skin inflammation. With regular intake, it may help clear acne, pigmentation, and dullness, gradually revealing a brighter and more radiant complexion. The third benefit is that it supports detoxification of the liver and kidneys. This simple drink gently flushes out toxins, helping these vital organs function more effectively. Regular detox can lead to increased energy levels, better focus, and improved overall well-being. It also aids in weight management. When consumed regularly and followed by 30 minutes of brisk walking, coriander seed water helps boost metabolism and encourages fat burning. It also reduces water retention, which can support gradual and healthy weight loss. Next, it helps balance blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Coriander seeds assist in regulating insulin activity, making them useful for maintaining stable blood sugar. They may also help lower LDL or bad cholesterol, contributing to a healthier heart. And last but not least, it strengthens immunity. Coriander has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help protect the body from infections. Its rich mineral profile works to build a stronger immune system from the inside out. Here's a quick tip. For maximum benefit, walk briskly after drinking coriander seed water. Your pace should be steady. You should be able to talk while walking, but not so fast that it looks like a workout. Aim for about 30 minutes each day to enhance its effects on metabolism and digestion. If you are planning to start drinking coriander seed water on an empty stomach, here is an important note for you. If you have low blood pressure or low blood sugar, be sure to consult your doctor before adding this drink to your daily routine. Natural remedies are powerful, but it's important to ensure they suit your specific health conditions. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and spread the goodness with your family and friends. See you next time with another simple and powerful health tip. Be healthy. Be organic. Stay naturally fit.